By leveraging Richard Wolf's Download Center, IFUVitals helps our clients enhance overall communication and supports educational efforts aligning with and reinforcing ISO 13485 standards for quality management and regulatory compliance. Okay, let's get going. By selecting or scanning the UDI of the medical device details displays within the manufacturer's documentation location. In this case, we will display the competency guide, care and handling of rigid endoscopes in under 3 seconds, underscoring the efficiency and responsiveness of our platform. The IFU would return in the same amount of time. As you can imagine, educational and competency skills are enhanced by using the Richard Wolf's Download Center. The original document is always a click away, while we deploy AI, which allows the user to experience a seamless and similar display for all manufacturers. A single click displays the exact section without adulteration of the target document. To cleaning. And instructions. In the event a medical device requires reporting of an adverse event or a device failure, all relevant UDI information is captured. The user simply clicks on the product that they're reporting. The user simply selects the adverse event, which displays and drives us to the UDI clearinghouse. Notice how all the device information is captured. After validating the device information, the user just simply adds in the adverse event or product problem on this easy-to-use form. This all happens in real time, so there's no delay. UDI Clearinghouse is the hospital's single source for displaying recalls, adverse events, use. The addition of the IFU to the Download Center will not only facilitate direct access to current IFUs for all Richard Wolf's clients, it will lead to improved quality management, and for users, it will solidify Richard Wolf as a leader in medical device compliance.